borrow it and drop it lower. Alright. Once again, big thank you to Raymond for sending out this tape, this fiberglass cloth tape. You know, doing little things like this would be basically impossible without this nice little roll of fiberglass. So thank you so much. This has been really handy for us so far. Thank you. Hey Buck. Everyone say hello to Buck. He just had surgery yesterday. He had a massive bladder stone. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, but he's recovering and he's doing well, eating and drinking, and I'm sure he feels much better now that that's out of him. But yeah, that was in him right around there somewhere. Good thing it's not anymore. Ain't that right, Buck? Alright, got my resin poured out, and I'm gonna get a soak coat rolled on to the cabin top and give it some time to soak in, and yeah, gonna get that started. Hopefully wrap up this overhead glass work today. Let's do it. Okay, both sides got a hot coat poured on starboard. I am gonna start mixing up some thickened resin now. Oh, substantial amount there. Might even be too much. Alright guys, so we've completed our glassing overhead in here on the foredeck coring. So now I want to get started putting up these bulkheads. We got 3 bulkheads here to put up, and I would like to start at the front and work my way back. So you can see that large bow section I grinded because it's much easier to get in there now without a huge bulkhead in the way. So I do have a little bit more sanding prep to do for that, down on the bottom of the locker as well as overhead and all around the perimeter of the bulkhead on both sides. I'm going to take care of that sanding off camera, and if you see me again, we'll be putting that in place. I don't think you guys need to see any more sanding. This whole project has been endless sanding. Let's do it.